4 Nigerian foods that taste different depending on the tribe that prepared it. At number 4, we have banga soup. In Edo and Delta and some parts of Bayelsa, it is called banga soup. Then there's another version prepared by the Igbo people called Ofako. Then when you go to Cross River and Akwa Ibom State, there's another version prepared by them called Atama soup. All these soups have the same base, which is palm nut extract. But these 3 soups I just mentioned have different tastes. Each one has its own unique taste. So banga soup is one soup that tastes different depending on the tribe that cooks it. At number 3, we have abacha. Abacha is a very popular food, especially to the Igbo people, the eastern part of Nigeria. Abacha has different ways of preparing it depending on the Igbo tribe that prepared it. For example, when you go to the Enugu and Abakaliki part of Igbo land, the way they prepare abacha is quite different from the way the Owerri people in Imo State or the Ngwa people in Abia State prepare their abacha. So it's quite different. They have so many different ways of preparing abacha depending on the Igbo tribe that prepared it. At number 2, we have okazi soup. Okazi soup is any soup that has okazi as its main vegetable. Now, there are so many versions of okazi soup depending on the people that prepare it. For example, there is ofo okazi that is prepared in Abia State, especially Omaya and the environs. It's called ofo okazi. That one, it has its own recipe and taste. Now, there is another one called osoko, prepared by the Andoni people in Rivers State. Afang soup is a type of okazi soup because the main ingredient is also okazi. But this one is prepared by the Akwa Ibom people and the Cross River people. So anytime you give me each of these soup, I will tell you the tribe it comes from because the taste is actually different. At number 1, we have fisherman soup. Different people, especially those that live around the rivers, have their own version of fisherman soup, but all of them are fisherman soup. If you go to River State fisherman soup tastes different from the one prepared by Akwa Ibom people. But the most distinct type of fisherman soup I've ever eaten is the one prepared by the Ilaje tribe, a Yoruba tribe that are known as fishermen. This soup is called ataisan. It's a fisherman soup, but it is the Ilaje version of fisherman soup. So fisherman soup is one of those soups that when a different tribe cooks it, it has a different taste because of the way they prepare it. So if you like this list or you feel that there is a food I missed out on, please put them in the comment section.